Hey guys, what's up? My mom just took me to McDonald's and we got Happy Meals and we got little Angry Birds set. I don't know why, but I just want to put this guy in. So the targets are two pigs, and these are what they're gonna be sitting on and everything. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna put together my target. I'm gonna put one like this. No, I'm just gonna put that like that, and then this like that, and then I'm gonna put him right here. Go. So that, him like that. Now there's two birds right here. I'm gonna be shooting these at that. Let's go. You know what? Let's just get him out of this shot. Because there. Okay, we're good. Okay, these things do go pretty far, and you do press this button over here. You do press this button to launch them. So like that, and then it just slides on. You might have to apply a little bit of pressure, but other than that, it'll be good. So let's get started. And I have two. So let's go. Okay, total misfire. Total miss. That was hard to hit, actually. Me and my lovely cameraman are trying to shoot this as raw as possible. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to try and do like a crossfire. I hit one, that's for sure. I hit one. The Z piece. I'm only going to use one bird this time. Try and hit that. I'm trying to get the wing. I'm trying to get the wing to kind of, when it's going, to try and then it'll go boom. So, I just need to move it over just a bit. So, let's try this a couple more times. And I'm going to go like this now. Nailed it! Okay, so that will be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and please smash that like button, and please subscribe. Peace out.